Have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to change your life, only to give up because the goal seemed too big? What if the biggest changes could start with the smallest actions? It sounds impossible, right? It's not, and here's why. Tiny Habits by BJ FOGG shows that even the smallest, simplest actions can lead to powerful results. Instead of relying on motivation, why not use the behaviors you already do? It's not about willpower, it's about working smarter with tiny steps. Fogg's behavior model breaks it down. Motivation, ability, and a prompt must all align to form a habit. But here's the thing, motivation alone won't get you far. You need habits that are easy to do and reminders to keep you on track. Want to run a marathon? Start with a simple 1-minute jog. The magic of tiny habits lies in their simplicity. Small steps that grow over time. Ever wondered how small actions lead to big outcomes? Here's the answer. How do you make habits stick? Connect them to something you already do. Let's say you brush your teeth every morning. Imagine seamlessly attaching a new habit, like flossing one tooth right after. The key is making it a natural part of your routine. Don't forget to celebrate each victory, no matter how small. After completing a habit, give yourself a quick win. Say, "Nice job," or smile. What small win will you celebrate today? These little celebrations reinforce your progress and build momentum. Life changes, and so can your habits. If something isn't working, adjust. Tiny habits are flexible, allowing you to fit them into your life without stress. What's stopping you from starting today and making those changes easier? By consistently practicing tiny habits, you'll see incredible changes. It's not about drastic transformations overnight, but about small, consistent actions that compound into meaningful results over time. Why wait for change when you can start now? So, are you ready to take that first step? Remember, it's not about perfection. Start small, link it to something you already do, and celebrate your wins. With tiny habits, even the smallest steps lead to the biggest rewards. What habit can you start right now? Take a look at something you already do and attach one tiny action to it. The path to big change begins today with just a single, tiny step.